Nicole Koster, and I'm here today to inform other students about one of the many medical fields for biology and chemistry majors, which is the Physician's Assistant Program. I'm here to help other students better understand what a physician's assistant does, where are the PA programs in the state of Louisiana, and mainly discuss the PA program in New Orleans, Louisiana. What other options are there for grad students who want to go into the medical field? Many students who do pursue science in college are students with majors such as biology, nursing, chemistry, and radiology, for example. The medical field has a vast majority of different fields that many students can learn about and potentially apply to. Some examples are allied health programs such as med school, radiology programs, nursing careers, dentistry programs, and even public health. Ever since high school, I have grown up having a strong love for science. I've always been interested in how the human body performs and how certain aspects like cancer develops. I've always believed that with the skills that I have, I could be a successful student in the field of science. I'm looking into the Physician's Assistant Program in New Orleans for many reasons. In order to better understand different grad schools, it is important to explore which different types of graduate students want to attend. Research on a program before graduating with an undergrad is the key to looking at what could possibly be the next step for you. For now, let's go through the many aspects of the Physician's Assistant Program, but mainly focus on New Orleans. I will discuss the admissions process, the prerequisites required, and the overall experience of what you can do as a PA. Initially, I will look at what is a PA, what are the different programs, and what different fields a PA can work in. What is a PA? According to the LSU New Orleans program, a PA is a medical professional who works with the doctor as part of healthcare team. A PA is a graduate of an accredited PA educational program who is nationally certified and state licensed to practice medicine with the supervision of a physician. The state of Louisiana has 3 major programs listed in Shreveport, New Orleans, and Baton Rouge. Although each one has a different admissions process as well as different starting dates, many of the prerequisites for all 3 programs are about the same. On slide 3, I have listed the basic information about each program, like the address, phone numbers, and the main website for the school. The following slide, slide 4, shows the many admission requirements needed for LSU New Orleans PA school, such as the need to be CPR certified, have 80 hours of healthcare or volunteer experience, include an immunization sheet, and pass the criminal background check. The next following thing I'll discuss is the prerequisites and the dates of when to start the PA program in New Orleans. As on slide 5, you must have earned a C or better in all of your classes to be able to attend PA school or even apply. So if you apply to PA school in New Orleans and you're currently taking or plan on taking one of the classes that's needed, all you need to click is that you're in the progress of taking it. In addition, for the PA program in New Orleans, each spring starts a new class period, which continues for the next 29 months, of course. For the PA program in New Orleans, each spring starts a new period, which continues on. In addition, PAs provide a broad range of diagnostic and therapeutic services. They can be found in primary care specialties, family medicine, pediatrics, gynecology. PAs can be found practicing in many medical or surgical subspecialties, but not limited to oncology, endocrinology, rheumatology, plastic surgery, dermatology. And now that we've gone through the basics of applying to the PA program in New Orleans, let's go through the duties of a PA, what they are, and how they apply to the program. Okay. According to the author Chris Gore of the Journal of Legal Medicine, a physician's assistant must take continuing medical education courses, which is true, that have to be taken every 2 years, which is 100 hours. This is to have each PA caught up on the new learned information system, for example, about specific diseases. Other duties are like assisting in surgeries, cardiovascular, neurosurgery, and then diagnose and record. Working with a supervising physician, helping other healthcare providers. A PA accepts the responsibility of a safe environment for patient care and recognizing and correcting system-based factors that negatively impair the patient care. Fun statistic is that according to the Health Services Research, which was written in a collaboration of authors in 2008, PAs saw about 16% of minor injuries, while doctors saw about 13% of those injuries. Physician's assistants can also write and prescribe prescription medication to patients and interpret test results. In addition, the salary of a PA is a pretty good amount. Now, of course, no person should base their future career around money, which I completely agree with, but consequently pick a career that will fulfill your dreams, but still have that flexible financial value that will help fit that person's lifestyle as they live. For example, performing surgeries makes more for a PA than doing pediatrics or family medicine. Now, you have a better understanding of what PA school is, what skills can you have becoming a PA. A PA will certainly learn how to work alongside a doctor, but more importantly, work within a team and develop leadership skills. Communication is also pretty, so for the doctor and the physician's assistant to have a close relationship, that's very much needed. A PA must have compassion, personal integrity, and both go hand in hand, meaning a PA must take pride in their work. In conclusion, I have shared with you the key components to what makes a physician's assistant and what the LSU New Orleans PA program has to offer. Hopefully, the following PowerPoint presentation speech I've given you will help determine whether or not the PA program is for you.